Morning, guys. Bad news, and after I came back from our Uluyam and Gotong drive last night, and I was on my way home on MR2, and I hit a pothole, and then right after I reached my condo's security post, the tire pressure monitoring system warning came up and it says I'm losing tire pressure. So as you can see, it's flat now, and luckily I'm still running non-run flat tires, so there's no visible damage so far. And I'm going to tire shop and see whether the tire can be rescued or not. So now after checking Google Maps, I'm going to the nearest limb tire shop, and now I have a dilemma. I did a survey last night online, and one RFT run flat tires is easily above 1,000, and it is advisable. Let's say if the tires cannot be repaired, and it is advisable to change in pair. So a pair of run flat tires will cost me about 2,000 plus, including all the ding ding dong dongs, balancing and alignment and everything. So if I change to non-run flat tires, I think I should get it in 3,000 ringgit or 3,000 like that kind of price range. So there's a lot of pros and cons and debates about run flat tires and non-run flat tires. So non-run flat tires should be more it should be better performance and better more is a quieter tires, more comfortable than run flats. But as it is said, it is named, it is a non-run flat tire, so then there's no spare tires or anything. So if you kena potholes like this again or kena punctured, you really have to go to tire shop ASAP. So there's a pro and cons. I still don't know what to do. If I change back to run flat tires for the front, and I still have to use it, and then let's say my rear also botak already, I have to change the rear, and I will still have to continue using both tires, front and rear in run flats. Oh my god. Anyway, another important thing is that I hope my rim is okay, because the damn pothole was not a very deep pothole to me, but probably I was running at 80 km per hour, and that caused it to pecah or crack inside, because I don't see any visible damage outside my tires. And yeah, well, we will just see about that. By the way, run flat tires really serves its purpose when you have when you're losing tire pressures like now, and you don't really feel any different, when you are driving on flat tires or what. It really holds up the car pretty well, except when you are running at a higher speed and you let go the steering, it will steer to the side where the tire is leaking air, of course. Okay, here we are. The safety lock for the tires. Pak pun. Oh, crack sini. So yang ni memang kena tukar kan? Tak boleh buat apa-apa repair kan sini? Kapal nak tanya harga dulu. Okay. The thread is just a few millimeter more. Should I or should not change to all new tires, non-RFT? So I have decided to change to non-run flat Continental MC6 670 and 189. Okay. The main reason of me changing to all new 4 tires is because I think the other 3 tires, the other run flat tires are almost bought out already. I think it can last a few more months at most. So if I spend 1,150 to change just 1 run flat tires, it will sorry, kunci nak. So if only I change 1 side of the tires, then when the other 3 run flat tires botak, I will still have to change the other 3, which is also a very hefty cost, and I still have to continue using run flat tires for probably the next 2 years. So I'm taking the leap of faith, changing to non-run flat tires. Wish me luck. So it's a 2019 tires, new, fresh. I hope it will give me a pleasant experience. So it's all done, and total damage is 3,000, including balancing and alignment. This is truly an unexpected expense. So I hope after this everything should be smooth for me. And I was told that my brake pad It's almost due actually, so there will be another 2000. So I'm gonna reset the flat tire monitor. And it's all done. Guess I'm gonna do a tire review after this. It's supposed to be more comfortable and quieter. By the way, the Continental MC6 is a quite a good tire, I suppose. As I heard, it is on par with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4, but I'm not sure. So far, the most reputable one is Pilot Sport 4, but the price is a bit high for me at this shop, so I guess I don't have much choice. And okay, I think that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.